Samsung has been working on One UI 7 based on Android 15 for a long while, and the release of the first beta has seen many delays, in a rumored effort by the company to improve its skin significantly. Major improvements do, however, mean major changes, and those never come without many nasty bugs. According to the prolific tipster Ice Universe, that's exactly what you should expect from the first One UI 7 beta, whenever it does finally arrive. Of course, it being a beta, you would naturally expect some issues to occur, otherwise it would go straight to a stable release. But Ice Universe claims that this will be a pretty rough beta with many animation-related bugs, including new ones that have been introduced in the latest internal test builds. That also makes sense since animations are a big focus for what's changing in One UI 7, thankfully we might add. While Ice Universe mentions Samsung has fallen behind in a lot of ways, software-wise in recent years, he is optimistic about the Korean company's ability to fix all of the problems in the near future. And it all starts with the One UI 7 release, which may arrive in its first public beta form as early as next week.